Hi! In this video, I will show you how to do the Avatarify trend on the TikTok. So the process is pretty simple. To do this, you have to install an additional app. You have to search for any face app. To do this, on the top, you will see this app. You have to tap on it and install it. I have already installed to my phone, so I simply open it from here. Once you will install it and open it, you have to click on the Add Photo. Now you have two options, like you can capture new picture from camera or you can simply choose through gallery. I select this picture from here and now you have to click on the tick. Once you will add your photo from here, you will see multiple options. You can select any to give the animation to that picture. You can watch this by this play button and once you will set your picture, now click on the share and you will see multiple options here. You can share it on TikTok from here. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.